Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to obtain a beaver in Grow a Garden game of Roblox new Easter update to complete the Easter Achievement 2026. Okay, let's get into it guys. As you can see here, that we need to obtain a beaver to complete one of the quests of the Easter achievement. And if you want to get the beaver, you can go to the Easter shop and you can purchase it from here. Okay, this is the beaver. And if you already purchased this pet, guys, you can still obtain it by repurchasing it, or actually you can do my trick. So you can give your beaver to your friend and then you can ask your friend to give it back to you. So it's like lending your pet to your friend so they can achieve, or they can complete, obtain a beaver quest, and you can also achieve it, guys. So you can help each other to complete the achievement. Just lend it to your friend and ask your friend to give it back to you, or you can give to your second account on Roblox Grow a Garden, because that's what I did. I gave it to my second account and I give it back to this account so I can obtain the beaver. Okay guys, and that's how you can get the beaver or obtain beaver in Grow a Garden game of Roblox to complete the Easter achievement. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!